Hello everyone, this is CK. I'm a practicing Scrum Master and an Agile coach. So in today's video, let's talk about Scrum values. So in our channel, you can already find what is Scrum, different events, artifacts, what is about Scrum team, what are the empirical pillars and how that helps in the sprint, what is sprint. So all the details are already been discussed. If you haven't seen that, first please do watch that and come to the Scrum value videos. I have seen many people like trying to give an explanation on Scrum. They start with the values, but I felt that first we want to understand every aspect of Scrum and Agile. Only then, like explaining the videos will be useful and you can take it very easily. Let's get started. Now, 5 values of Scrum: courage, commitment, focus, respect, openness. So, what does this exactly mean? Courage is like the Scrum team. I already told that the Scrum team is self-sufficient and cross-functional to develop the increment. That courage, like they feel that they have a sufficient resource, they work on the increment, they work on the sprint, which is very effective. Okay, so that courage should be there inside the Scrum. Okay, so the second point is commitment. So we already have seen in the artifact video, for a product backlog, we have a commitment is product goal. Sprint backlog, the commitment is sprint goal. So for the increment, the commitment is definition of done has to be achieved. So based on the commitment, we work towards the commitment to achieve the goal. If it is sprint, we work towards the commitment to achieve the sprint goal, which is very effective for our progress. So the third point is focus. The empirical pillars of transparency, inspect and adapt, the events like daily Scrum, retrospectives, sprint planning, which helps the team to get or be focused. The framework allows the team to be always focused. The next point is respect. I have already discussed in the Scrum team video that there is no one in the upper hand inside the team. The product owner or a Scrum master or a developers, everyone are equal. There is, in the conventional type, there might be a manager who orders you, who is responsible for everything. So it is not in the case of Scrum. In Scrum, everyone respect each other. Everyone works as a team to get a final increment. Okay, everyone has their part to play. It's not a role; it is responsibilities inside the Scrum. So the respect is automatically created because everyone is handling their work, everyone is responsible for the outcome, which is the increment. Scrum works as a team to get an increment, which is the output. So the final value is openness, transparency inside the team, openness inside the team in multiple ways. Like in sprint retrospective, every sprint you have something in your mind you wanted to share with the team. It is totally agreed. Okay, you can share with the team. The innovations can be communicated. So the openness is always there, and the Scrum which allows you to follow that one. So that is the main advantage of the framework. If you consider all this value, it can be used anywhere in the Scrum. That is how awesome this framework is designed. So the values are very important. Why? Because if you have these values in mind, it will one or other day helps you to work in a team effectively. That's what we already say as agile mindset. In Scrum, we can say that if your values are clearly understood by the people, you can have that Scrum mindset, which helps the team to be more effective. If you understand all these points very clearly and you follow that in your regular work, it is very much effective. Please do try it out. If you have any doubts on Scrum or Agile, please do reach me out and I will be clarifying you. Let's connect in another useful video. Good day. Bye.